Dear friends, today we shall do exercise 1.3 question number 3. Estimate the following products using general rule. First of all, we have to know what is the meaning of general rule. General rule means we have to estimate the number according to the highest place value. For example, the number is 10 or 20. Then the highest place value is tens. That means we have to estimate that number according nearest to 10. If there are 3 digits, that is 1, 32, right? That means 3 digits. Once, what is the highest place value? Once, 10, 100. That means you have to rounding this number nearest to 100. If there are 4 digits, suppose 400, 3, 2, 0. 4 digit, the highest place value is 1000. Once, 10, 100, 1000. Since the highest place value is 1000, therefore it will be rounded up to 1000. This is the general rule. Now we'll solve the problem. Question number 3. Estimate the following products using general rule. Number 3. A. What is that? First one is product, that is 578 into 161. Okay. Now this will be the highest place value is ones, 10, 100. This is also ones, 10, 100. That means we have to round it up this number nearest to 100, right? That is, the number is 578 lies between 500 and 600. 500 and 600. And the middle number is 550. 500, right? Now this is 578 is greater than 550, therefore it will be rounded up to 600. Therefore the number will be 600. Into 161. 161 lies between 100 and 200. And the middle number is 150. Since the number is 161 greater than 150, therefore it will be rounded up to 200. Therefore the number will be 200. Therefore the answer will be 6 to the 12. How many zeros? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the answer of A. Now we will do question number B, right? Now solution of question number B. Question number B. The number is 5281. 5, 2, 8, 1 into 3, 3, 4, 9, 1. This number is 3. We are having this one 3. Now this is 3, this is 4, 9, 1, right? 5281 into 3, 4, 9, 1. Now you see, this is ones, 10, 100, 1000. The highest place value is 1000, therefore it will be rounded up to 1000. Now you see, this number lies between 5000 and 6000, right? And the middle number is 5500, right? Now you see 5281 lies closer to 5000. or less than 5500, therefore it will be rounded up to 5000. And this number 3491 lies between 3000 and 4000. This number lies between 3000 and 4000, and the middle number is 3500. Now you see this 3491 lies closer to 3000 or less than 3500, therefore this 3491 will be rounded up to 3000. Now if we multiply this number, 5 into 3 is 15, and how many zeros? 3 and 3 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. After 3 digits there will be one comma, after that 2 commas, after 2 digits. This is the answer of question number B. Now we will do question number C, right? Now we will do question number C. Question number C. Let us solve question number C. Question number C is 1291 into 592. 592. Here the highest place value is ones, 10, 100, 1000. Therefore, we have to rounding up this number to nearest 1000. And this is ones, 10, 100. This number will be rounded up to nearest 100. Now the 1291 lies between 1000 and 2000, and the middle number is 1500. And here the number is 1291 less than 1500, therefore this number will be reduced to 1000. Therefore the answer here, the 1291 will be reduced to 1000 into 592. This number will be rounded up to nearest 100 according to general rule. This is 500 and lies between 500 and 600, and the middle number is 550. 550. Now you see that 592 is greater than 550, therefore it will be reduced to 600. Now if we multiply this number, that is 6 1 just 6. How many zeros? 3 plus 2 5. 1 2 3 4 5. This is the answer. Now put the commas. After 3 digits we are putting one comma, after 2 digits again we are putting another comma. This is the answer of question number C. Now we will do question number D. You have to remember one thing, that when you do any question, you have to remember that according to general rule, you have to rounding up that number according to the highest place value, right? Now question number D. Now you see we are doing question number D, that is 9250 into 29. Here you see the highest place value is ones, 10, 100, 1000. That means this number we have to rounding up nearest 1000. This number lies between 9000 and 10,000, and the middle number is 9500. And here you see 9250 less than 9500, therefore this number will be reduced to 9000 or rounding up to 9000 into, here you see this number is ones, 10. That means you have to rounding up this number according to nearest 10. 29 lies between 20 and 30, and the middle number is 25. Now we see 29 is greater than 25, therefore this becomes 30. It will be rounded up to 30. Now 3 9s are 27. And how many zeros? Here you see 3 0 plus 1 0, that is 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. After 3 digits you put comma, after 2 digits you put comma, right? This is the answer. What you have to remember that when we are using the general rule, you have to round up that number according to the highest place value number. Now the next one is make 4 more such examples. You can make many such examples same like that. Okay. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.